Yeah, here we are at the Swanson pit.
Except we have to,
Day after we quit. Now we're flooded out.
we'll still have to start it up to get the legs up.
Yeah. Yesterday this was down about 15 foot. Hopefully don't go up anymore. Dragline's safe though. Take a walk over here. I am knee deep basically in water all the way. Take a look at the crusher. Rock belt bearings, discharge belt bearings are underwater. Fuel barrels, axle height, whoa, can't move. Nothing really too serious yet, but we did see the culvert was flowing still into this area, so it's probably still going up. Oh shoot, that electrical socket's underwater. Uh-oh. So much for waterproofing that one. Damn near up to the tongue. Well, good thing we got the excavator and the dozer out, because it would be submerged. Kind of see that plate there, how deep that is. Alright.